Do you want to learn the Quran but don't know where to start? Don't worry, this guide is made just for you. Step 1. Make your intention niyyah. Start with a sincere heart. Learn Quran to please Allah, not for showing off. Step 2. Start with Nurani Qaida. This is the first book to learn Arabic letters with pronunciation. It teaches you harakat, tanween, sukun, and tajweed basics. Step 3. Learn Tajweed, correct pronunciation. Tajweed means reading every letter correctly and beautifully. Without Tajweed, the meaning can change. Start with basic rules like makarij, letter sounds, guna, nasal sound, mad, stretching. Step 4. Take help from a teacher or online academy. A good teacher can correct your mistakes. We are also providing these services. Step 5. Daily practice. Practice 10 to 15 minutes daily. Don't rush. Focus on quality, not speed. Step 6. Memorize short surahs. Start from the last para, Juz Amma. Easy surahs, Surah Ikhlas, Surah Falak, Surah Nas. Step 7. Learn meanings. Try to understand what you are reading. Use Quran with Urdu English translation. It will connect your heart with the Quran. Bonus tips. Stay consistent. Even 10 minutes daily is good. Listen to Qari recitations to improve pronunciation. Make dua for ease and understanding.